I'm Azar Zahid. I'm a rising senior and I attend Charlottesville High School. Ever since childhood, 8th grade when I came here, I've been following engineering and year by year just doing a project and challenging myself. I was interested in clean energy and learning more about how energy affects us, so I got involved.
Yeah, your power output is very consistent.
Apex Academy is a summer camp. The goal is to allow these high schoolers to gain hands-on experience in the renewable energy industry, to get an interest if they want to go into college and maybe major in some of these topics or have a career down the road.
I thought it would be more educational based where we would just sit and learn, but on the first day, my mind changed that this is going to be really interactive.
We've got these projects all over the country.
We're able to engage the students in a few different activities. Students got to design their own anemometer, and they also were able to design wind turbine blades, then test it in the wind tunnel to understand energy production, how much power they were producing.
It's important to educate high school students about renewables and clean energy early. We're going to need more people as we keep accelerating the shift to clean energy.
There's really so many different paths you could take, so many things you can do, whether it be somewhere in engineering, whether it be in finance, GIS. There is a place for everyone within the renewable energy industry.